Hi sellers, Coach Sage here to give you a quick explanation of the new shipping settings implemented last April to help you fulfill orders and maximize customer satisfaction. As of April 21, 2025, these are the new shipping settings. For all orders na pumasok before 2 p.m., make sure to book for shipment before 2 p.m. para mapabilis ang order processing at maasikaso mo na ang mga susunod na order. Kung 2 p.m. onwards naman pumasok ang order, siguraduhin i-book ang shipment bago mag 2 p.m. sa susunod na araw. For example, nakatanggap ka ng order on a Tuesday at 10 a.m. Bago mag 2 p.m., make sure na nakabook na ang order at siguraduhin mo na ma-drop off ito o ma-pick up ng mga partner courier within the day. Orders that are created 2 p.m. onwards can be booked until the following day, Wednesday, before 2 p.m. and be shipped within that day. Kapag weekend naman, ang mga order na pumasok bago mag 2 p.m. ng Saturday ay kailangan i-book before 2 p.m. at i-ship within that day. Lahat naman ng orders na natanggap mula 2 p.m. ng Saturday ay pwedeng i-book hanggang Monday bago mag 2 p.m. Para naman sa lahat ng orders na natanggap on a Sunday, lahat ng mga ito ay kailangan i-book by Monday bago mag 2 p.m. Take note that items set as pre-orders will still follow the days to ship you set for them. You may refer to the to ship field to identify the latest date you can arrange shipment of your pre-order items. In cases of late shipment due to late pickup or rider no-show that result in penalty points, remember that you can file for appeals on the Shopee Seller Center under Account Health. To learn more about our days to ship guidelines or filing appeals, you may visit the Seller Education Hub.